Today, I want to share something about one of the most exhausting customer I have ever dealt with in my baking journey. So, I received a cake order about a week ago, and the delivery is this weekend. Simple, right? Just take the order, prepare everything, and deliver. But trust me, this one has been mentally draining, and I haven't even started making the cake yet. From the very first day, it's been non stop messages. First, she told me her idea, I noted it down. Then, the next day, a change, and then another day, another update, new theme, new color, different toppers. It just kept going. The design has changed so many times now, and what's made it even harder is the way these changes come. Not short messages, but long, detailed audio notes. Not one or two, but sometimes three or more at once, explaining everything again and again, each time a little different than the last. Oof. I have been trying to stay patient. I have kept listening, kept adjusting, and kept hoping that this time it's the final version. But every time I think we have locked the design, boom, another message pop up with new thought. It's been a full week of this back and forth. I have mentally designed the cake at least 5 different ways. And the funny thing is, I haven't even touched the sponge or fondant yet. The actual decorating starts tomorrow. And to be honest, I still feel like I am not fully sure what I am going to make. Oof. Now that it's just one day before I start working on it. She has finally confirmed the design, and at least I hope this one's final. I really do, because mentally I'm just tired. I have been stuck in this loop of changes all week. I love baking, I love decorating, and genuinely try to give my 100% to every order. But sometimes these situations just leave you completely blank. You sit there with all your tools and ingredients and still don't know where to begin. So I hope that tomorrow I wake up with no new messages and I can finally bring the version of the cake to life. Let's hope it stays that way. As a baker, we truly understand that it's your special day and you want everything to be perfect, especially the cake. But constant changes and last minute stress only make the process harder for both of us. Please trust us. We are professionals. We know how to bring your vision of to life. There's no need to panic. Just clear communication and a little patience go a long way in creating something beautiful. Thank you for listening, and to all my fellow bakers out there, stay strong and keep creating with love. Take care and Allah Hafiz.